and load them into the clip. We load the gun and shoot the first target in the face of a Kinder Surprise. Shot! It looked a little weak, however, the foil crumbled and there was a crater on the egg. Let's try without foil. Nothing much has changed. There is exactly the same crater. Now, let's take a corn stick, fix it as a target, 2 shots, 2 through holes. What about a plastic container? Easy penetration. Let's try another container. The gun barely managed to create a crack in it. Let's shoot the business card. No problem. And the plastic one? Not a hole, but it's cracked. Now let's check with the CD. We aim the gun and make a shot, followed by another and another. The disc split, though only on the 3rd attempt. Next up is a ping pong ball. We clamp it in a vise and load the gun. 2 shots and he just slipped out of the vise. Apparently, it is stronger than it seems. And if you put a walnut in its place, we shoot closely and it immediately breaks through the shell. How do you like our way of peeling nuts? Now we need kinetic sand. We make a small stable tower out of it. We shoot, and the bullets just bounce off. Let's make the sand a little thinner. Now, at least they got stuck in the sand while our tower collapses. The next target is a juice bag. We aim a shot and nothing. Another one and nothing happened again. But the 3rd time, we punch the Tetra Pak and the juice begins to flow out. It seems the package is seriously injured. And what will happen to a can of shaving foam? We will shoot it closely for more strength. Dents remain, we continue. We fired a whole clip, but apart from small dents, no result. It's time to take a bigger target. Let's install watermelon on a stump and point a gun at it. Start shooting. Bullets enter the peel and even get stuck in it. But you need to keep shooting. We're on the right track. It seems that the pulp is already visible. Let's remove the stuck pellets, and seems we were really able to break through the peel. It even has juice flowing out of it, but it took a lot of shots. And now, let's light a candle with the match and try to extinguish the fire with the shot. The main thing is to aim. Bam! Cut a couple more death moves, and the ace of diamonds turns out to be on top. And here's how I did it. There's already a second ace under the first one. Now I smoothly move the upper ace down and lower one up. When the cards are on par, I push the second ace to the top of the half deck. Look at this king. I will cover him with my hand a little, and I'll gently lower him into the glass. Nothing unusual happened. But now, we will enchant the glass. Let's repeat our trick. The king gradually falls into the glass. But there's another card in the glass. Although, the top part is still from the king. How is this possible? Well, just fasten 2 cards with double-sided tape. And when they go down into the glass, just pick the top one so that the bottom card is visible. That's the whole secret. Let's take a map and start quickly flipping through the pages, throwing it at random places. We opened the book and incredibly, the 9 landed on the 9th chapter. The trick of the trick is that the 9 originally lay on the 9th page, and we just quietly threw out the 2nd card. When you quickly flip through the pages, the map itself will jump out, as if it had just got there. Let's try to put a card on the glass, and put a coin on its edges. The structure is falling. Let's try to push the card a little further, but the coin still outweighs. Then pour water into the glass to the brim. Let's put a card and a coin as well. Now, the surface tension will now allow the card to turn over. Let's take an ordinary card and put it on. Now, let's put a glass of water on top. It withstands its weight and stands still. As you can see, there are no threads or supports, just a regular map. But the secret is that the card is not quite ordinary. It is double and it's retractable. Half serves as an additional fulcrum. Remember these 2 cards? I'll put them in random places in the deck. Let's do a little magic and transfer the deck to the other hand. But these 2 cards remain in the same hand. They're the ones, aren't they? The secret of the trick is that there are 2 of these cards in the deck. When we remove the first copies, the cards remain at the top and bottom of the deck. A deft movement of the fingers during the roll, and these cards remain in my hands. That's all. Let's take a brand new deck of cards just out of the box. Take the 10 of hearts and put in the center of the deck. Now let's pack the cards back into the box. And now the magic begins. Now I'm going to pull the 10 out of the box with the power of my mind. Just look. And here it is. Clever, isn't it? For this trick, we will need to cut out a window like this in several cards.